It's a 2011 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: external memory control, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, driver memory seats, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Automobile reports the E-Class offers exceptional handling capabilities without losing out on ride quality. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At Porsche Atlanta Perimeter, we prove that buying a car can be a world-class experience. Contact Porsche Atlanta Perimeter today. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Boulevard.